Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this makeup look today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Go ahead and subscribe down below before we get started into this video. And yeah, that's it. So let's get started. I'm going to start with primer. Let's see, where is it? The Urban Decay Urban Defense Complexion Primer. This has a bit of SPF in it, which we need it this time of year, especially in the summer. You're usually outside a lot more, and not only does it have SPF, it also smooths your skin. So this part of the video is in partnership with Koh Gen Do, which is one of my favorite brands. The Aqua foundation is my absolute favorite foundation year-round. I don't have to pick seasons that I like it because it works no matter what the temperature is outside. It's a really awesome foundation. Before I get into the foundation, I am going to apply a bit of an illuminator, and the reason why I'm applying this is because I want a targeted, healthy looking glow on the high points of my face. So I'm going to use the new Aqua foundation illuminator. They changed the packaging of the illuminator. Originally it had a pump on it, but this comes with a brush applicator so that you can easily apply this to the high points or areas of your skin that you want to illuminate, and just blend it in with the same brush that I'm going to use for my foundation. So I really like the way that looks, and if I wasn't wearing foundation today and I wanted to add a bit of glow, this would be perfect. Like I'm done basically. If I just wanted to do some errands and just have a bit of a luminous look, I could just maybe put on a little bit of brown mascara or something to darken up my brows and then just go. Or a little bit of mascara and that'll be bomb. But because I want some coverage today, but actually a lot of coverage today, I'm going to go in with the Aqua foundation. Now you guys hear me talk about this foundation a lot. One of the things that I'm finding that I love even more about this foundation is the fact that some of my foundations I can no longer wear because I have tanned a little bit. But this foundation actually has a technology in it that adjusts to your skin. So basically I'm going to apply this foundation. You're going to see that it matches me. If you go back like months ago when it was colder outside, I was using this same shade and I could wear it. I also like that it isn't a thick foundation, so it applies like skin. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin at all. It blends in really well. It doesn't look like I have on foundation. It just looks like my skin is really nice. It means something when this is like one of the favorites amongst celebrity makeup artists on their clients. You can go on Koh Gen Do's Instagram and see that Yara from Blackish, she wears this foundation. Oprah wears Koh Gen Do foundations. I mean, they know what they're doing when it comes to foundations, and I love it. This is one of my favorite foundations. And you can also change up this foundation. So if you have dry skin, you can wear this foundation. If you have oily skin, you can wear it. Just add a little bit of setting powder in the areas that you get oily and you're good to go. So it doesn't matter what skin type you have. It doesn't matter what skin issues you may have. It will cover it. I love this foundation. So I will have a link to these two products as well as all of the other products that I use in this video down in the description box. So I'm going to keep like the hydratingness going. So I'm going to use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Concealer. I use that underneath my eyes. Actually getting ready to go shopping, kinda. I want a calendar. That's such like a weird thing to want to purchase, but like a handheld calendar just so I can keep organized with my time. And plus I'm gonna need it for my last semester of school. Yay. And school starts next month, so might as well go ahead and get it. And the shade I used in that concealer is medium, and it blends really nicely. So for powder, I'm going to use the bareMinerals Mineral Veil powder, and this one is the original version. I've never tried this before actually, so we're gonna see how I like it. It looks nice. I actually had a feeling this was gonna be good because when I dumped the powder into the lid of the container, it looks like a smooth powder. Like it doesn't look like any powder I've ever used before. I was like, I think I'm gonna like that. I'm gonna try to avoid the areas that I put the illuminator. So for eyeshadow primer, I'm going to use the Sigma eyeshadow base primer, and this is in the shade Persuade, and this helps the eyeshadows look a lot brighter. And you apply them on top of this, and it helps them last all day. So if you have problems with like oily eyelids or your eyeshadows coming off midday, this is a really good eyeshadow primer for it. So for my look, I'm going to use the same palette I used in my last video, and that's the Born to Run. I really like this palette. So I'm gonna start with Still Shot today and apply this to the crease. Now with this eyeshadow primer, make sure that you're using kind of a light hand when you first go in with the shadow, because it is sticky, because it, you know, it adheres the eyeshadows to it. But once you have like that first layer of powder on it, it's really great. Like it shows up those eyeshadows like ridiculously, and you can really avoid what I just said if you set it before you get started, but I don't really like to do that every time. Sometimes I do, but not every time. So then on the lid, I'm going to take Accelerate, and then I'm going to take the shade Jet, and on a cut crease brush, I'm not gonna cut the crease, but I'm gonna use the cut crease brush from Sigma, and I'm basically going to draw a kind of winged liner. Oh my goodness. I had to add a little bit of powder because I was getting some fallout, and fallout with black eyeshadow, that's not pretty. So now I'm gonna go back in and just kind of wing it out. And I'm gonna connect it to the crease as well. So I guess I kind of am doing a cut crease, but not really. And then I'm gonna go back in with that first shade that we used, the Still Shot, and just kind of blend back in the crease. Woo! I just popped my back. Okay, what do we want to do now? I'm going to take a little bit of Demolition eyeliner from Urban Decay, and I'm gonna put this on the upper lash line just to kind of smoke out the look a little bit, make it look a bit more sultry, and I'm gonna attach it to the wing that we just created. And then I'm just gonna take the shade Breakaway and put it in the inner corner. So I'm gonna dust away this powder now. Well, not in my hair. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Mercier Matte bronzer. And then for highlight, I'm going to use the Buxom Cosmetics highlighter. Then I'm gonna spray my face really quickly. Glowsetter from GLAMGLOW. That smells really good. So for lashes, I'm going to wear these from Lilly lashes. They're the Luxe style. So I'm gonna add another shade to my eyelid because it's really not speaking to me. So I'm gonna add Baja, which is the orange in the palette, and just do this right in the upper crease. I'm gonna add a little bit more black eyeshadow. I'm also going to bring that black on the lower lash line, just halfway though. When you bring it halfway, it makes your eyes look bigger. And I'm gonna add a little bit of nude liner from Rimmel, wherever it is, just to the outer part up to where we put the black. Then I'm gonna add some mascara to blend the false lashes into my real lashes and on the lower lash line. I'm going to use the Buxom Big Tease Plumping Mascara. That's me wiping off the chapstick. So we're gonna line my lips with NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. And then I'm going to take the Beauty by Pop Sugar lip gloss in the shade Take a Bow. Apply this and blend it into the lip liner. Now I'm gonna spray one last time. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure that you check out my latest video. It'll be right here. And yeah, I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.